What up, guys, and welcome to You Cooking with me, G. And today we're going to be cooking bacon wrapped stuffed chicken. And this may be a video from deep within the archives, a while back, and I haven't had time to edit. A lot of life stuff going on lately. Hope you guys enjoy. Now that I've successfully turned this channel into a cooking channel, let's get down to business. We're going to start off by trimming our chicken. Take off any unwanted parts, any tendons, for instance, or unwanted fat, for instance. Oh yeah, remember to set your oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, I'm going to hot pocket fry my chicken breast. That is to say, cut a slit in it to be able to insert the cheese and other ingredients. For the insides, I'm using a mixture of chopped spinach, which was cut off screen, and a blend of cheeses, which include Mexican-style cheeses, Italian-style cheeses, and mozzarella. What I did here was separate them into two different bowls because I did one with the cheddar cheese and one without the cheddar cheese. In this situation, I found myself saying to myself, will the cheddar cheese actually work? So this was my trial. Don't look, I'm doing surgery. Now normally you might want to use a blend of these maybe with cream cheese if you like it a little creamy versus gooey factor, but that's for another video. For today, we're doing this lovely mess. Shit! Next, we wrap up the chicken in bacon. Your choice of bacon, I chose applewood bacon, applewood smoked bacon, thick cut as well. A helpful tip for the bacon wrap: try to have the connected ends on the bottom part of the chicken so the bacon doesn't just unravel itself. You know, we forgot to season it. I'll get some pepper on it. Somehow. Whatever little chicken amount is showing, getting seasoning. I don't care. I don't care. Don't at me. Here. It's like I seasoned it before. F***ing garlic powder. Don't at me. I don't think it's gonna be done in 20 minutes. Oh wait, I found the footage. Yep, this is it. Now back to our scheduled program. You see, the problem with bacon wrapped anything is you could have burnt bacon and undercooked chicken. But that's why in this case I had very thin chicken. So I put the chicken at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm waiting for the inside to be at 165 degrees Fahrenheit in order for it to be done and edible. I didn't give a set time because it all depends on some ovens. But you're trying to reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and that could take anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes. Nice golden brown. I was actually really happy with how they turned out. Absolutely gooey, beautiful crust. The bacon is crispy. The chicken is juicy. It's everything I could have wanted. Cheers. You can use as much bacon as you want. This is as much bacon as I wanted. I'm not trying to clog my veins or arteries, you know.
was like oozing out for a little bit.
Still is.
Oh, yeah. Oh, slowly but surely. Wow.
Thought it'd be bland because of the lack of pepper and salt or seasoning. Very, very good. Now, it's time to eat, so bye.